Ramen noodles in vegan vegetable miso broth. We need organic tofu, ramen noodles, red miso, enoki mushrooms, 1 bell pepper, a quarter teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 handful snow peas, 2 scallions, 1 small zucchini, 6 to 7 shiitake mushrooms, 1 small head bok choy. Drain the tofu and place it on a plate. Place another plate on top and weigh it down to squeeze the excess water out of the tofu. Trim the stems of the shiitake mushrooms. Cut the mushroom caps in half, then slice. Place the shiitake mushroom stems in a cloth and tie it in a bundle. Cut the white part of the scallions into rounds, then cut the green part and keep them separate. Cut the zucchini into a small dice. Cut the pepper into a small dice. Cut the bok choy ribs into a small dice. Cut the snow peas into thin slices. Cut off the lower third of the enoki mushrooms and discard. In a sauce pot, add 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Heat it on medium-high heat. Add the white part of the scallions. Fry for a few seconds, then add the shiitake mushrooms. Stir and let it sweat a little bit. Add the peppers. Stir very well. Sweat a little bit, then add the snow peas. Stir very well. Sweat a little bit, then add bok choy. Stir very well, then add red pepper flakes. Add the zucchini. Stir very well. Add the bundle of shiitake stems. Add enough water to barely cover the vegetables. Make sure the shiitake stem bundle is immersed in the water. Bring it to a boil. Lower the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, start the water for the noodles. Drain the tofu, then cut it in half. Cut into small dice. After 10 minutes, discard the shiitake mushroom stem bundle. Add the tofu. Gently stir the tofu in. Cover and let simmer for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, start cooking the noodles. Place 4 to 5 tablespoons miso paste in a stainless steel bowl. Scoop out 1 scoop liquid and add it to the miso paste. Whisk it very well to dilute. Return the diluted miso paste to the soup broth. Stir to combine, then turn the heat off. Drain the noodles. Place some at the bottom of a bowl. Place a handful of enoki mushrooms to the side. Make sure you press on the bottom to separate them. Scoop vegetables and broth onto the noodles. Garnish with the green part of the scallions. And there it is, ramen noodles in vegetable miso broth. Enjoy, like, and subscribe, because there is more coming.